Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Seaside Park and Ship Bottom until 2:45 p.m. At 1:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over eastern Ocean County, moving east at 10 knots. This strong thunderstorms will be near coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles at 2 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan.
Whoa, lightning!
Out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles.
Well, now we have a lot of